The TST Electric Bike 1500 watts features a powerful brushless motor that effortlessly reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for both urban commuting and adventurous mountain rides. With a robust 48-volt 25 ampere-hour removable battery, this bike offers an impressive range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, ensuring long journeys are a breeze. Equipped with a front and rear suspension system, the bike provides a smooth and comfortable ride by absorbing most bumps and vibrations, which is ideal for reducing body fatigue during long trips. Safety is a priority with high-brightness front lights for better visibility at night and mechanical disc brakes for strong and reliable stopping power. The bike is highly adaptable with professional 7-speed gears and 3 working modes, allowing it to tackle various terrains from city streets to rugged mountains and beaches. Easily assembled with 90% of the work done for you, this bike comes with a 180-day warranty and reliable customer support for added peace of mind.